Welcome back. My name is Mia. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited today. We're unboxing another package from MARIEMUR. Let's see what they sent me. Always feel so good and confident in anything I wear from MARIEMUR, so I'm excited to share it with you. And first up, we have the Bonnie lacquer leather collar. Now just look at these details. You can see for yourself the premium quality materials they've used and just the thought and the absolute craftsmanship that has gone into making these pieces. And here we have the beautiful Roxy bra. Now I have the whole set to show you, but let me show you the bra first. Look at the detail in this. Isn't it beautiful? I love the detailed silver hardware. I think it's incredible. Now I've said this before, my favorite thing about MARIEMUR is how adjustable their lingerie is. Now the Roxy set has a dual adjustable strap at the back, as you can see, which makes it so easy to adjust to how you like it to fit your own body. It really does feel like you're wearing a custom piece of clothing made for you. Just look at this embroidered mesh. It is beautiful. It looks so appealing with the glossy trim next to each other. It just pops. You can really see the detail that was put into these pieces. This is clearly made to be shared with someone. Do not hide this away. But I would definitely wear this under a dress or something for a date night, you know, to share it later. And here we have the Roxy panties. I have to say it, they're adjustable and I love it. And I love that so much, I love it. Personally, it's my #1 favorite thing about MARIEMUR. You can't really go wrong with the sizing either, especially because everything's so adjustable. So don't be worried if you want to buy this for someone special. The sizing chart on the website is accurate, so you'll get it right. Don't worry about that. Esme. Have you met my friend Esme? This is the Esme bra. Beautifully detailed and designed. It feels really soft, but it also feels very secure at the same time. I cannot wait to try this on. All these framing straps are going to be so flattering and incredible. Now MARIEMUR's range, all of their lingerie are such statement pieces. None of them are basic. I can't say I've ever seen them with basic lingerie. This is definitely one of my favorite statement pieces. The Esme bra, I feel like this would look really, really nice under a white button-down shirt with the straps poking out the top. This set is perfectly designed, I think, for couples if they want to add a little fresh dynamic into their relationship. Try something new, wear something new, whether it's been months or years that you've been together. I feel like it makes introducing something new feel pretty authentic and just effortless. Here we have the Roxy suspenders. Look at these, so beautiful with the matching mesh with the lacquer piping around the edges. Now these really stand out to me. They have 6 clips, which is going to look so flattering. I can't wait to try these on. With the dual adjustable straps at the back, I feel like you're gonna fit this so well to your body. I feel like MARIEMUR's lingerie really is designed to suit a range of comfort levels. It's not just one style. You really can find something that's anywhere from delicate lingerie to full-on statement leather pieces. There are so many options to reflect your personal style or even your relationship dynamic, your taste. Lastly, we have the Esme panties. They've got the double hip straps. It's perfect to move them, to tailor them to fit your body. It has an open back thong design, which really highlights your curves. It's double straps. The top strap actually goes around your waist and you can adjust it to fit you accordingly. Now I really want to see what these look like together.